In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and play Core Keeper on your PC. So Core Keeper is a survival sandbox game developed by Pugstorm. The game features mechanics similar to the other games in sandbox like Minecraft and Terraria. So in order to download this game, first of all what you want to do is you're just going to go ahead and open any browser in your system. After that, you're just going to type into the search box for Steam and then hit enter. Then you will be able to see here this welcome to Steam link at the top of your screen. So you're going to click on that. Then you will be able to see here Steam interface over here. As you can see here at the right side of your screen, you are able to see here a search box. So you're just going to type in here the name of your game in the search box, which is Core Keeper, and then hit enter. Then you will be able to see here different games on your list. And as you can see here, our game is at the top of this list, which is Core Keeper. So just click on that. And after that, you're just going to scroll down over here until you find this option add to cart. Once you click on add to cart, you will be able to see here this kind of screen. So you're just going to click on view my cart. And as you can see here, this is all of the payment which you will be paying, which is only $9.99 for this game. And once you have just checked it, you can just click on continue to payment. After that, you will be able to see here different options. So you can just choose here any of these payment methods. Once you have selected your payment method, you can just enter here all of your payment information, scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, the game will be purchased and added to your library, and from there you can just play this game.